Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm doing some more Gorilla Tag. But so there's the update. I don't know what it is. So there is a new limited time mode.
I just launched myself all the way
So
to the ground.
there's nothing different about this yet. But the helmet looks, to be honest, a little shinier. But I don't know what's going on down here, so I think I'm gonna go down here. I want to figure out why there's a shark head. Oh, this is my favorite music. Wait, it's blue. What the heck? That's crazy. No way, Gorilla Tag is literally flooded. This is sick. Yo, guys, if you have Gorilla Tag, you gotta try this out. You really gotta try this out. You gotta swim. You gotta swim to do music.
We have the same shirt. We have the same shirt. Oh my god, you can't tag people with the same shirt. You can't tag people with the same shirt.
Oh, I can't tag people with the same shirt? Who cares?
You tagged me. No! Yay. Dude, we have the same shirt. Why didn't you tag me?
Okay, what? No way! There's a shark! This is sick! Yo, guys, you need to try Gorilla. You need to try out this update right now. If anybody has Gorilla Tag or VR, you gotta try it. Right after you watch this video, you gotta try it. And of course, it has to be there. I just want to go up there. I'm gonna see what's different with Gorilla Tag. I meant not Gorilla. I'm gonna see what's different with Forest. Yeah, it looked a little different, but like and subscribe so you guys never miss another video on Gorilla Tag. Are you kidding me? Are you kidding me? Yeah, like and subscribe so you never miss another video on Gorilla Tag or on my channel. So, first of all, I just need to get up to Forest to see if there's what that new update stuff is. Oh, and I gotta check out the new cosmetics. I have to check out. Oh, this is sick. That's some fun. Dude, that's a rip-off of Minecraft lava.
Don't worry.
But that's, no, literally, that's a rip-off of Minecraft lava.
Get on the board, get on the board.
So, yeah.
Matt can swim underwater. Matt can swim underwater.
Yeah, but this is actually crazy.
I'm a firefighter for a reason. Come on, go up. Don't worry. Oh, no. I need help. I'm a firefighter. The shark isn't me. Oh, crap. Oh.
Okay, the shark makes sense, just it's so derpy. I'm gonna try out this new game mode, limited time. I'm glad I got into Gorilla Tag for this in time. Okay, what is going ambush?
I have like the purple school trooper and like.
Oh my gosh, it's so freaking laggy. It's so laggy.
Hey, the last person
So
in the top tree house. No, he's not. The last person is on tree house. No, there's like 3 people over there.
Summer camp. Where's the? It is summer camp. Oh, metallic. It's metallic. I thought it was like made of sand.
How do you wall run on slippery ice?
Oh, and they put the balloons back. That's crazy. Yes. Put the balloons back.
Consistently hit the wall.
Oh, I'm so sad.
There's on top of treehouse, guys.
No, there's no one in the top of the treehouse, dude.
There's no one on treehouse.
But yeah, really, I thought I was sand.
He's trying to bait us to go over there with him.
Oh, it's actually wall running on the bridge. Oh my god. Oh my god.
Man, there's not much over in forest, but
Wait, there's a new game mode.
I think I like infection more.
I'm becoming fully invisible.
Ambush is just a limited time, so I just will play it while I have the time. But I gotta go back down here. But so
I'm fully invisible.
yeah, it's like basically Gorilla Tag is flooded. For a second, I thought it would be like you're weak in water because I can't swim. That sucks. But that's like sand.
Still hate the water in this game. I didn't know I was the last guy.
Oh, I don't feel like that.
Be out of here. I'm not tagged anyway.
Are you kidding me? I'm dying. But yeah, guys, thanks so much for watching today's video. Again, like and subscribe so you'll never miss another Gorilla Tag video, or let alone my channel.
Yo, I'm suck.